Imagine waking up tomorrow with a new ability. You can hear what everyone around you is thinking.
No, I do not believe this.
Not just words they say out loud, but their real, unfiltered thoughts. Would this be humanity's greatest gift or our worst curse? Mind reading has fascinated us for centuries. From superheroes and comic books to experiments in neuroscience, humans have dreamed of unlocking the private world inside another person's head. But what would truly happen if this fantasy became real? The first days would be absolute chaos. Every secret, every hidden judgment, every suppressed feeling, exposed in an instant. Friendships might collapse, relationships would shatter. Imagine hearing your best friend's hidden resentment.
I just always thought we were so close.
What do you mean?
Or your boss's unspoken thoughts about firing you. The masks people wear in daily life would vanish overnight, and some truths would be too much to handle. But in this chaos, honesty would finally dominate the world. Politicians couldn't make empty promises.
We're here to build a better tomorrow for everyone, ensuring prosperity and fairness for all.
Courtrooms wouldn't need witnesses. Advertising would lose its tricks. It would be impossible to lie because thoughts reveal themselves instantly. At first terrifying, but could it eventually create a more trustworthy society? Of course, this power comes with a cost: the death of privacy. Our thoughts are our last hidden sanctuary. They're messy, random, sometimes cruel, not always a reflection of who we are. If everyone could hear them, would we still recognize each other? Or would judgment and fear replace trust and intimacy? Humans might adapt. Maybe we'd learn to filter thoughts the way we control speech. Perhaps technology would emerge to block or shield the mind, like the new lock and key of the mental world. And those who mastered thought control might rise as leaders, shaping a new social order where mental silence becomes power. Relationships would never be the same. On one hand, true love could become deeper than ever. No secrets, no doubts. On the other hand, too much honesty can destroy even the strongest bonds.
Why are you always like this?
Me?
You're the one who started it.
Imagine knowing exactly what your partner thinks during every fight, every disappointment, every fleeting temptation. Would love survive? Or would the mystery that makes it exciting disappear forever? So, what if humans could read minds? We might gain a world without lies, but lose privacy, trust, and even love in the process. Maybe the reason humanity survives is because our thoughts stay silent. After all, some secrets are worth keeping.